When I envisioned Knightsbridge Estates, I aimed to create more than just a community. I wanted to craft a refined lifestyle that embraces the splendor of Virginia countryside. What initially ignited as a fervor for architecture and design has since flourished into an extraordinary creation. With the help of the esteemed Purple Cherry architects, we were able to bring my designs to life. Located just minutes away from Middleburg and the historic downtown of Leesburg, with Knightsbridge Estates, we cultivate a style of living that transcends ordinary existence. It's a life that embraces elegance, leisure, and the pursuit of a well-rounded lifestyle. Join us on this remarkable journey.